If you're wondering how to use Tenable.io for cloud security, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, we'll dive into how Tenable.io can help you secure your cloud infrastructure, and I'll show you a few key features that make it one of the most powerful tools available. Stick around till the end, because I've got an exclusive offer that could give you access to this software completely free, with added bonuses you won't want to miss. First off, Tenable.io is a cloud-based vulnerability management platform. It scans and monitors your cloud assets to identify and mitigate risks across your environment. Whether you're managing AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, Tenable.io helps keep your infrastructure safe by continuously checking for vulnerabilities. Next thing, you'll want to know how to set up and configure Tenable.io in your cloud environment. The setup is pretty straightforward. Once you log in to your Tenable.io account, you can easily connect your cloud environments by integrating your cloud provider accounts with Tenable. This lets you quickly start scanning and assessing your cloud infrastructure for vulnerabilities right from the dashboard. The third thing that makes Tenable.io stand out is its continuous monitoring feature. With this, you don't just do one-time scans. Tenable.io constantly monitors your cloud assets, alerting you in real time about any new vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, or potential risks. This is crucial because in the cloud, things change quickly, and you need a system that can adapt just as fast. Next up, let's talk about scanning. Tenable.io uses advanced scanning technologies such as agentless scanning, which means no need to install agents on your cloud instances. The platform scans your cloud environment for vulnerabilities, weaknesses, and compliance issues, and then generates detailed reports with actionable insights, so you know exactly what needs to be fixed. The fifth thing you'll love about Tenable.io is its reporting and dashboards. It's not just about finding vulnerabilities, it's about understanding them in context. The user-friendly interface gives you a clear view of your cloud security posture, so you can track progress over time and prioritize which issues to tackle first. And now for the last thing. The power of Tenable.io lies in its integration with other tools in your security stack. Whether it's CM systems, ticketing tools, or remediation systems, Tenable.io can be easily integrated to help streamline workflows and ensure your cloud security is as automated and efficient as possible. If all this sounds useful, you're in luck, because you can start using Tenable.io for cloud security completely free from the first link below, with our exclusive bonuses that make it even more valuable. I recommend you check it out and explore the features for yourself. Remember, this video mentioned that you can take advantage of an exclusive and extended free trial. So, make sure you grab that offer and start securing your cloud environment with Tenable.io today.